Hi, back to my channel. How are you? Good evening. Now it's already here. 7:30 in the evening. Okay, I'll show you my garden now. Yeah, so with flowers. I like very much flowers. So like that. So I'll show you from here. So from here. Okay. Yan. Yeah. See what a wonderful my plants. My plant, my flowers. Yan. See. Look at that. Red lahat. So all are red. Look at that. So, magbubulaklak na siya, oh. Bulaklak ito pink. Yan. Yung tomatin ko, yung kamatis ko, nagbunga na. Look at that. Bunga na siya. Had already fruits. May tomatoes. Look at that. Yan, marami ng bunga. So, tapos yung ano ko, yung pipino. Ayan, bunga niya. May pickles yan. Marami siyang bunga. Ayan, flowers. So, yung mga pickles ko yan. And squash. Ayan. Yan, flower ko yan. Look at that. So, magdilig ako. Watering already my plants. Look at that. Yeah. So, my sweet potato. Yeah. So, let's see. Yung rose ko, no more flowers. So, ito here. Yan, had still flowers. Yung apples ko. Wow, apples ko. Many fruits. Yan, many fruits. Now this one had problem. Is too swear. Heavy her fruits. They cannot carry her fruits. It's heavy. Look at that. Many fruits really. Just little young. So naglaglag sila. Laglag. Nga muna laglag sila. Alam ko ito. Pwede mo pa ito makain. Kainin mo, lagyan mo ng asin. Parang sinasawsaw mo sa asin. Parang manggang hilaw. Masarap pa rin ito. Nalaglag siya. Yeah. Kasi sa ulan, saka sa hangin, nalaglag siya. Pero ang daming bunga niya, oh. Tignan mo. Oh, bumaba silang lahat. Oh, hindi niya nakaya bunga niya. Ang dami nito. Pag na-harvest ko, isang basket. Yan, dami. Yan, thank you Lord sa blessing. Nagbunga lahat yung fruits ko. Yan. Tapos, ito ngayon, tackleberry ko. Harvest na ako. Ayan. Pula na silang lahat. Yan. Harvest ko na ito kasi hinog na ang tackleberry ko. Yung tackleberry may tinik siya eh. May tinik ang ano niya. Katawan niya. Kaya matitinik ako. Kaya tinawag tackleberry. Yan. Na-harvest ko. Oh. This do. Tsaka yung apple ko, apples. Kasi luto na, hinog na sila. Okay. Sa akin naman tong berries. Tinanim ko. Pero gusto ko ilipat ito eh. Doon sa ano, kasama yung mga berries din. Lipat ko ito. Diyan ko siya isama, oh. Kaya lang baka magtampo. Normal. Masakit kasi may tinik. Ito siya. Ito. Okay, yan. Tinik siya. Awa. Yan. Ito bunga niya, oh. Kapungpong. Yan, oh. Bunga niya. Pero medyo ano pa siya. Piliin ko lang yung pula. Ayan ang pula sa baba. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and likes. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.